So a lot of clouds still in place through later this morning. The chance of showers will start to dwindle, and we'll actually see a little bit of sun breaking through as we travel toward this afternoon. But we're not completely in the clear. With the height of the afternoon, the wind will get strong and it will get cold. And there is that chance with that gusty west wind for a few mixed showers to develop, especially along and north of the Pike, where you could see some of those flurries mixing in north of Route 2 especially. So that is something to watch for this afternoon. The bigger impact will be the wind. A wind advisory has been issued with the potential for wind gusts nearing 50 miles per hour. In Boston, you could really see that wind picking up in intensity as we travel through the mid to late afternoon. Still staying windy tonight and heading into your Sunday. So with high temperatures reaching into the 40s, which in itself is nearly 20 degrees below average, it is going to feel even colder. That wind chill factor sitting in the mid 30s. Even in the mid-afternoon with some breaks of sun. A very chilly outlook. It gets even colder tonight. Freeze warning has been issued for a good chunk of our area as temperatures drop, especially inland, below freezing. Down to about 30 in Worcester. We're dropping as low as 34 in Nashua and just about 35 in Taunton. Now for tomorrow, a little bit of a recovery. Sun breaks through. High temperatures in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees. It's still windy, but we'll see plenty of sun. So the second half of your weekend is definitely going to be the better half. A shower chance moving in for Monday as high temperatures reach into the 60s. Those showers moving on by through the afternoon into the evening. They clear out in time for Tuesday with a bit of a drop in temperatures into the 50s, but we start to recover. We're back into the 60s for the later portion of the week and inching toward next weekend. We could even see 70. For Storm Team 5, I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalise.